Mark, can I tell you something awkward that happened to me yesterday?
Sure. What happened?
I was talking to someone at a coffee shop. A nice person. We had a pleasant conversation.
Okay.
But then I needed to leave. I had a meeting, and I didn't know how to end the conversation,
Oh, I know that feeling.
right? So I just stood there, waiting for them to stop talking. It was so uncomfortable.
What did you finally do?
I just said, okay, bye, very suddenly and walked away. It felt rude.
That does sound awkward.
It was. And that's why I want to talk about this today. How to end a conversation politely in English.
That's actually a really useful topic. I struggle with this too.
Everyone does. Even native speakers sometimes don't know how to exit gracefully.
So, how do we do it properly?
Let me show you. There are different strategies depending on the situation.
Different strategies?
Yes, ending a conversation with a friend is different from ending one with a stranger. Formal situations need different phrases than casual ones.
That makes sense.
Let's start with casual conversations, like talking to a neighbor or someone at a coffee shop.
Okay, casual situations.
The key is to give a signal first. Don't just suddenly say goodbye.
A signal.
Yes, a phrase that tells the other person this conversation is ending soon.
Like what?
Common signals are well, or anyway, or all right.
Just those words?
Yes, when you start a sentence with well, the other person knows you're wrapping up.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Imagine we're talking at a coffee shop. I look at my watch and say, well, I should probably get going.
Oh, that's smooth. The well signals the end.
Exactly. It's much better than just saying, bye, suddenly.
What are other good signals?
Anyway, it was nice talking to you. All right, I need to head out. These all work.
I see. Signal first, then exit.
Correct. Now, let's look at the complete structure. There are usually 3 parts.
3 parts?
Yes. Part 1 is the signal. Part 2 is the reason. Part 3 is the closing.
Can you break that down?
Sure. Part 1, signal. Well, Part 2, reason. I have a meeting at 3. Part 3, closing. It was nice talking to you.
So, all together?
Well, I have a meeting at 3. It was nice talking to you.
That sounds natural and polite.
It is. And the reason doesn't have to be complicated. Simple is fine.
What are good reasons?
I need to get going. I should head back to work. I have to pick up my kids. Any honest reason works.
Do I always need a reason?
Not always, but it makes the exit smoother. People understand when you have somewhere to be.
What if I don't have a specific reason? What if I just want to end the conversation?
Then you can be vague. I should let you go. I don't want to take up more of your time.
Oh, those are polite.
Yes, I should let you go is especially nice because it suggests you're being considerate of their time.
even if, really, I'm the one who wants to leave.
Exactly. It's a polite way to exit without being direct.
Smart. What about the closing part?
The closing is important. It leaves a good impression.
What are common closings?
It was nice talking to you. Great to see you. Take care. Have a good day.
Those are simple.
Simple is good. You don't need fancy phrases.
Let's practice some full examples.
Good idea. I'll give you a situation. You give me a polite exit.
Okay.
You're talking to a coworker in the hallway, but you need to get back to your desk.
Well, I should get back to work. It was nice chatting with you.
Perfect. Natural and polite.
Another one?
You're at a party, talking to someone, but you see your friend across the room who you need to speak with.
Anyway, I need to go say hello to someone. Great talking to you.
Excellent! You're getting it.
This is easier than I thought.
It is. Once you know the structure, it's just filling in the parts.
Let's practice more sentences for everyone watching.
I should probably get going.
I don't want to take up more of your time.
It was really nice talking to you.
Let's catch up again soon.
Good practice. Now let's talk about formal situations.
Like business meetings?
Yes, or professional networking events. The structure is similar, but the language is more formal.
How do I signal in formal situations?
You can use phrases like, before we finish, or just to wrap up, or I know we're both busy.
Those sound professional.
They are. And for reasons, you might say, I have another appointment, or I need to prepare for my next meeting.
More specific and professional.
Exactly. And the closing might be, it was a pleasure speaking with you, or thank you for your time.
That's more formal than nice talking to you.
Correct. The level of formality matches the situation.
Can you give me a complete formal example?
Sure. Before we finish, I just want to say thank you for this opportunity. I have another meeting at 4, but I really appreciate your time. It was a pleasure speaking with you.
That sounds very professional.
It is, and it ends the conversation on a positive note.
What if I'm on the phone? Is it different?
Slightly. Phone conversations need clearer signals because the other person can't see your body language.
What signals work on the phone?
Well, I won't keep you any longer. I'll let you go. I should probably let you get back to your day.
Those all indicate ending.
Yes, and on the phone, it's common to summarize before ending.
Summarize?
Briefly mention what you talked about. Okay, so we'll meet on Tuesday at 10. Thanks for calling.
That confirms everything and ends naturally.
Exactly. It's both polite and practical.
What about difficult situations, like when someone keeps talking and I really need to leave?
That's tricky. You need to be more direct while still being polite.
How?
You can gently interrupt with, I'm so sorry, but I really need to run. Can we continue this later?
Is interrupting okay?
If you're polite about it, yes. Use, I'm sorry to interrupt, but before you exit.
What if they still don't stop talking?
Then you need to be firmer. I really have to go now. Let's talk soon. And then you actually leave.
Even if they're mid-sentence?
If you've tried polite signals and they're ignoring them, yes, you have to protect your time.
That's good to know. I always feel guilty.
Don't feel guilty. If you've been polite and given signals, you've done your part.
True.
Now, let's talk about body language. That's important too.
Body language helps with ending conversations?
Very much. Your body can signal before your words do.
How?
Look at your watch. That tells them you're thinking about time.
What else?
Take a small step back. Start gathering your things. If you have a bag or phone, turn your body slightly toward the exit.
These are subtle signals.
Yes, native speakers use these all the time without thinking about it.
So, body language plus words?
Exactly. They work together to make the exit smooth.
This is really helpful. Let me practice more sentences.
I won't keep you any longer.
I should let you get back to what you were doing.
Thanks so much for your time.
Let's definitely stay in touch.
Good. Now, let's cover some cultural points.
Cultural points?
Yes, different English-speaking cultures have slightly different norms.
Like what?
In American culture, it's common to end with future plans, even if they're vague. Let's grab coffee sometime. We should hang out.
Even if you don't really plan to?
Sometimes, yes, it's a friendly way to end. British culture tends to be more indirect. They might use more apologies. Sorry, I really must dash.
Must dash?
It means must leave quickly. Very British.
Interesting. What about Australian culture?
Australians are often more casual. Right, I'm off. Better get going, mate.
More relaxed.
Yes, but the basic structure is the same across cultures. Signal, reason, closing.
That's the key pattern.
Exactly.
What are the biggest mistakes people make when ending conversations?
Biggest mistake? Ending too abruptly. No signal, just bye and gone.
I've done that.
Most learners have. It feels rude to native speakers.
What else?
Being too indirect, waiting and hoping the other person will end it first.
I do that too.
It's common, but it makes the conversation drag on uncomfortably.
So I need to take initiative.
Yes, if you need to leave, start the exit process. Don't wait.
That takes confidence.
It does, but it gets easier with practice.
Any other mistakes?
Not making eye contact during the closing. Some people look away or at their phone while saying goodbye.
That seems rude?
It can seem dismissive. Make eye contact, say you're closing, then leave.
Good tip.
And one more thing, don't restart the conversation after you've said goodbye.
Restart?
You know, when you say, okay, bye, and then remember one more thing and start talking again.
Oh, I've done that.
Everyone has. But it makes the exit awkward. If you've said goodbye, leave. If you remember something important, send a message later.
That makes sense.
Let's review the key points.
Okay.
Point 1. Always give a signal before ending. Well,
Anyway, all right.
Point 2. Provide a brief reason if possible. I need to get going.
Point 3. End with a polite closing. It was nice talking to you.
Point 4. Match your formality to the situation.
Point 5. Use body language to support your words.
Point 6. Once you say goodbye, actually leave.
Perfect summary.
Let's review vocabulary.
Word 1. Signal. An indication or sign. I gave a signal that I needed to leave.
Word 2. Wrap up. To finish or conclude. Let's wrap up this conversation.
Word 3. Closing. The final part of something. The closing of a conversation should be polite.
Word 4. Gracefully. In a smooth, elegant manner. She ended the conversation gracefully.
Word 5. Direct. Straightforward and clear. Be direct if someone won't let you leave.
Word 6. Vague. Not clear or specific. You can give a vague reason for leaving.
Now, useful phrases.
Phrase 1. I should get going. A common way to signal you need to leave. Well, I should get going now.
Phrase 2. I won't keep you. Showing respect for the other person's time. I won't keep you any longer.
Phrase 3. Let's catch up again soon. Suggesting a future meeting. Let's catch up again soon.
Phrase 4. Take care. A friendly way to say goodbye. Okay, take care.
Practice questions.
Question 1. Think of a recent conversation. How did it end? Was it smooth or awkward?
Question 2. Which exit phrases feel most comfortable for you to use?
Question 3. In your culture, how do people typically end conversations?
Question 4. What will you say the next time you need to end a conversation politely?
Good questions.
Sarah, I feel much more prepared now.
Good. This is a skill you'll use constantly.
Every day, probably.
Exactly. And the more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
I'm going to try these phrases this week.
Start with casual situations. Practice with friends or coworkers.
And pay attention to how native speakers do it.
Yes, listen for the signals they use. You'll start noticing them everywhere.
That's a good observation exercise.
It is. Language learning is partly about observation.
True.
All right, Mark. Notice what I just did there.
You said all right. You're signaling this conversation is ending.
Exactly. You're learning.
So now I should say?
Go ahead.
Well, this was really helpful. Thanks for teaching me about this.
You're welcome. And that was a perfect exit.
See? I'm getting better already.
You are. Everyone watching, remember the 3 parts.
Signal, reason, closing.
Practice this week. Try ending at least 3 conversations using this structure.
Notice how much smoother it feels.
And how much more confident you become. Good luck to everyone practicing. We'll see you in the next video.
Until then, keep practicing.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.